Welcome to Asan Hai Education. In this video, we will discuss about the importance of MSME sector, importance of micro, small and medium enterprises in India as well as in the whole world, because recently a program has been launched by the Finance Ministry where a relief package has been announced for the MSME sector, and MSME sector, micro, small sector, is known as the backbone of Indian economy. So let's discuss and see what is the importance of this sector for the Indian economy. Okay. See, worldwide MSMEs have been accepted as the engine of economic growth and promoting equitable development. So this MSME sector is known as the engine of economic growth and for promoting equitable development. They constitute over 90% of the total enterprises in most of the economies and are credited with generating the highest rates of employment growth. So worldwide they are comprising up of 90% of the total enterprises in the most of the economies, and this MSME sector contributes to maximum creation of employment in the whole world. Okay, and some more characteristics: with low investment requirement, operational flexibility and the capacity to develop appropriate indigenous technologies, SMEs have the power to propel India to new heights. Okay, so these MSME sectors require low investment and they can help India to reach the target set by our economist, that we have to reach $5 trillion economy by 2024. Okay, and hence it seems like there is a silent revolution happening in India powered by MSMEs. Okay, so this MSME sector is very important. Okay, so let us see what is the importance of MSME for Indian economy. See, first of all, it creates a large amount of employment. See, importance of MSME for Indian economy. Employment, it is the second largest employment generating sector after agriculture. It provides employment to around 120 million persons in India. 120 means about 12 crore people. Okay, so the importance of MSME for Indian economy, the first importance is related to employment, and this MSME sector is the second largest employment generating sector after agriculture. Okay, and it provides employment to around 120 million, means 12 crore people. Okay, now let us see its contribution to GDP. See, with around 36.1 million units throughout the geographical expanse of the country, MSMEs contribute around 6.11% of the manufacturing GDP and 24.63% of the GDP from the services sector. So, when we talk about contribution to GDP in Indian economy, there are 36.1 million units throughout the country, and this MSME sector contributes around 6.11% in the manufacturing GDP. Okay, in the manufacturing sector, this MSME sector contributes 6.11%, and 6.11 is provided in manufacturing sector and 24.63% is provided in services sector. So you can see it contributes around 30 to 31% to India's GDP. So you have to remember this fact that contribution of GDP by MSME sector is 30 to 31% in India's GDP, and you can assess, you can judge the importance of MSME sector from this very fact that this contributes around 30 to 31% in India's GDP. Okay, now let us see some more important fact. I have told you that this contribute 30 to 31% in India's GDP, where 6.11% is from manufacturing sector and 24.63% from the services sector. But MSME ministry has set a target to up its contribution to GDP to 50% by 2025 as India becomes a 5 trillion economy. Okay, so MSME sector's contribution will be 50% in India's GDP when India tries to, or when India becomes a $5 trillion economy by 2024. And see one more important fact related to your prelims as well as mains examination: contribution of MSME sector in export. It contributes around 45 to 48% in overall export from India. Okay, so this MSME sector's contribution in the export is around 45 to 48% overall export from India. So you can assess the importance of this MSME sector. It contributes 30 to 31% in India's GDP. It contributes around 45 to 48% in India's export as well. Okay, and this also promotes inclusive growth. MSME promote inclusive growth by providing employment opportunities in rural areas, especially to people belonging to weaker sections of the society. For example, khadi and village industries require low per capita income investment and employs a large number of women in rural areas. So one more significance of MSME sector is that it includes inclusive growth because it requires a low investment, but it provides employment opportunities to a large section of the rural population. For example, when we talk about KVIC, that is Khadi Village and Industrial Commission, okay, so this Khadi and Village Industries Commission, this Khadi and Village Industry provides employment to large number of rural women, and it requires very low per capita investment, okay, and it also includes financial inclusion. Small industries and retail businesses in tier 1 and tier 2 and tier 3 cities create opportunities for people to use banking services and product. So this sector also promotes financial inclusion, okay. So in this video, what all we have discussed about the importance of MSME sector from the perspective of whole world, and we have also seen what is the importance of MSME for Indian economy, and we have also seen what is the importance of MSME sector to Indian economy, okay. Now let us see one more thing, then we will conclude this video. It also promotes innovation. How? See, this MSME sector also promotes innovation. It provides opportunity for budding entrepreneurs to build creative product, boosting business competition and sales, okay. So because it requires, this MSME sector requires low investment, so this also promotes innovation in the country. Innovate in India, made in India, okay. So all these programs are launched by the government of India to promote MSME sectors, okay. So after what we have seen, see, we have seen the importance of MSME sector from the perspective of whole world and in India specific, because it contributes around 30 to 31% to India's GDP. It also contributes 45 to 48% in the export of India's contribution, okay. So two important facts you have to remember, that MSME sector contributes around 30 to 31% in India's GDP. Second, it contributes around 45 to 48% in India's export sector, and MSME ministry has set a target of reaching 50% of our GDP by MSME sector when we reach $5 trillion economy by 2025, okay. So all these things are very important, and one more important fact related to MSME sector is that after agriculture, MSME sector is the largest employment generating sector, which contributes around 12 crore employment in this country, okay. So in conclusion, what we can say, thus Indian MSME sector, micro, small and medium enterprises sector, is the backbone of national economic structure and act as a bulwark for Indian economy, providing resilience to ward off global economic shocks and adversities such as we are facing at present. MSME, okay. One global shock we are receiving as corona pandemic. So after corona pandemic, this MSME sector will provide resilience, and it will help us to feel good, okay. It will help us to feel good after the economic shock which is given by corona pandemic. So in this video, what we have discussed what is the importance of MSME for India's economy and why this MSME sector is known as the backbone of Indian economy. This video was made because recently finance ministry has come up with a relief package for MSME sector, which is around 3 to 4 lakh crore, okay. So this will boost MSME sector to a large extent, okay. So this was the importance of MSME sector. In which this we have discussed the importance of MSME sector to our Indian economy, okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.